Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the all-new Vivo Y300 5G to talk about. A smartphone that combines cutting-edge features with great value for money. Let's dive into what makes this phone stand out. First, let's talk about the display. The Vivo Y300 5G comes with a massive 6.67-inch Full HD plus E4 AMOLED screen. With a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits peak brightness, it's perfect for smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and clear visibility even under bright sunlight. Plus, it offers 100% DCI-P3 and 107% NTSC color gamut for super accurate, lifelike colors. In terms of design, the Y300 looks and feels premium. You get three stylish color options: phantom purple, emerald green, and titanium silver. And it's not just about looks. The phone is also IP64 dust and splash resistant, so it's built to handle everyday challenges. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Vivo Y300 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or watching movies, the phone handles everything with ease. And if you need more space, you can expand storage up to 1 TB with a microSD card. And it comes to cameras, the Y300 doesn't disappoint. The 50MP rear camera with a Sony IMX882 sensor captures stunning, detailed photos, even in low light. There's also a 2MP portrait camera for those beautiful bokeh effects, and an aura light for perfect selfies. Speaking of selfies, the 32MP front camera will ensure you always look your best on video calls or photos. Battery life is another highlight. The 5000 mAh battery will easily last you through the day. And when you need a quick recharge, 80W fast charging will get you to 100% in just about 30 minutes. That's insanely fast. Finally, the pricing. The Vivo Y300 5G starts at just 21,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB model and 23,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 256GB version. It's an incredible deal. So there you have it. The Vivo Y300 5G is an affordable powerhouse that gives you an amazing display, strong performance, great cameras, and fast charging. If you're looking for a smartphone that checks all the boxes without breaking the bank, this could be the one for you. Let me know what you think about the Vivo Y300 5G in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.